So we have here Dr. Jazz Mavi from Flawless Skin Clinic. So Dr. Jazz, how's your experience been with Boost My Customers?
Hey guys, we've been working with Richard for the past month. He reached out to me on LinkedIn. We had a great conversation and I felt that Richard was a very authentic guy, set up a good business, didn't overpromise, said he's going to get us quality leads, and that's exactly what we've got. We're here today at Flawless Skin Clinic. We've run a clinic based on the clients that he sourced for us. Our next clinic in November is also looking full. We've just had our month review and we're looking to sharpen the tool again and go harder and get into more clinics. If this is what you need, if you need lead generation with a great sort of authentic source, someone who's going to answer the phone, tinker with it and make it better, Richard is your guy. Get to Boost My Customers.